find high quality PLR content. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Sharlrita Deloatch, where we talk all things passive income for stay-at-home moms and wives. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit that notification bell so that you will know next time I upload a new video, and like this video as well. I would love to hear from you from the comments and let me know what you think about this series and what other questions you have about PLR. On this channel, here are the passive income streams that we talk about: writing and publishing books on KDP, affiliate marketing, UGC creator, passive cryptocurrency, and digital products. There are several places where you can find high quality PLR, private label rights content. Here are some options. PLR marketplaces. Now, there are several PLR marketplaces where you can purchase PLR content from multiple vendors, such as PLR.me, Zane PLR, and up-and-coming Boss Woman Elite PLR. Now, you can also purchase from niche-specific PLR providers. Many PLR providers specialize in creating content for a specific niche, such as health and wellness, business, and personal development. For example, check out health PLR content if you're in the health industry. Check out Coach Glue if you're a coach or consultant for content. And check out PLR Hustle if you want a wide variety for the business, personal development, as well as health and wellness. Also, check out membership sites. There are some PLR providers that offer memberships where you can access a library of PLR content for a small monthly fee. Example, check out PLR Database, PLR Assassin, and Secret Weapon PLR. All three of these sites have very low prices that you can get started. I believe PLR Assassin, you can start for free with limited access. Secret Weapon PLR is $27 a month, and I believe PLR Database also has a monthly subscription as well. Also, check social media groups. You can also find PLR content by joining social media groups or forums dedicated to PLR. Now, these groups often have members who create and sell PLR content. Now, when you're choosing a PLR provider, it's very important that you look at who's reputable. Oftentimes, the only way you will know this is by trying out their products. Look and see the quality of the products, of their content. Make sure that they have clear license terms. Also, consider your niche in your industry that you want to get content from, because not all websites produce content for all industries, and make sure that it's relevant to your audience. As always, make sure that you read the terms and conditions of any PLR product that you use before you actually put it out there into the marketplace.